What's up folks, my name is Felix, welcome back to this video. Today this will be an update video about ARC Finance and Speakeasy. We want to take a look at the numbers, how is everything going, and without further ado we get right into my personal statistics. As you can see, my principal balance reached now 1200 ARC tokens, my net deposit value is still positive and I'm at around 82% of my ROI. What will be my strategy for the upcoming days, weeks and months? So first thing I want to do is of course getting my ROI. Therefore I have to do at least 3 to 4 withdrawals, and once I reach my ROI I will start redepositing everything to stay on my daily rewards of 2%. How does that work? I just click on settings right here, turn on my auto redeposit, and then my withdrawal amount, which I chose before in the allocation, will be redeposited back into my principal balance and my net deposit value stays at the same level. And that's very important to not get downgraded to 1% daily rewards. At least for me, I want to stay at these 2%. And as long as I can grow my balance and the ARC price is stable, I will try to stay at those 2% daily rewards. And that's what I will focus on once I reach my ROI in around 14 days from now. Now I want to tell you what are the news in the ecosystem, because those guys are planning for the long term. And if you listen to yesterday's podcast, there they mentioned that they will upgrade the contract to have the option to migrate over to a different chain if something happens with the Binance Smart Chain. Hopefully the Binance Smart Chain will stay and nothing will happen over there, but they want to have the option in case there are some issues or Binance is going down or whatever, that they can easily migrate the whole project over to a different chain. And that's what they are currently working on. Another thing which they are currently working on is the BUSD stablecoin topic. Because we saw what happened to USDC, also the BUSD drama a few weeks ago, and now they want to create or do a potential partnership with a metal-backed stablecoin in the future. But those are just plans for right now. They didn't go into detail about what they are planning, but it's another indicator that ARC is not there for the short term. Otherwise, they wouldn't care and just continue their work as it is. And all these things in common, these long-term plans, and as well the PWA, the smartphone application, which will launch at the 30th or 31st of March. I'm not 100% sure which day it will be. Make me real confident to say that ARC, if it already wasn't a money printer, it will be a money printer in the future. Now to round this up, we want to take a quick look on the overall statistics. The wallets are still growing by 10 to 30 wallets every single day. A thing which is a little bit concerning, but not that much at all, is the ILC reserve. We can see a little decrease since 4 days. That's of course a statistic which you have to pay attention to, because the ARC price is dependent on these ILC reserves. As of now, we are still at a 5.7 ARC price and the range is holding very strong. We saw already a much lower amount in the ILC reserves. That's why we have enough space here, and it's just a short trend and it is just the current picture. But anyway, we should pay attention to this. The stake bond over time are increasing, the foundation rewards are still steady, and what we also can see are that the legacy NFT rewards pool is also steady by an increasing number of bought legacy NFTs, which we can see on the DApp. The number of total NFT holders is increasing by 1 to 2 NFT holders every single day, which currently most of them are buying the silver one, and all those people who are buying this NFT do potentially want to build a team, bring in new people, and that's why the number of total NFT holders is very important. As this number continues to rise, that's very positive for the ecosystem and as well for the NFT or the investment rewards pool, which is generated from 60% of those NFT sales. That's all about the current statistics in the ARC ecosystem. Now we want to jump over to Speakeasy. Since the launch around 10 days ago, we are performing quite well in my opinion. My total value locked is now at roughly 9 BNB because I let my first reward cycle ride, which means that I compounded it and I will continue to compound it at least for the next months, because I think we are still very early. The attention isn't there, but this ecosystem will grow very fast once the word of mouth spreads. It is, at least from my perspective, a very safe play as we are still very early. They already did investments before the project started, which we will take a look on now. And then we can see on the protocol performance. So all the BNB amounts which you can see in the bank are invested funds which will pay back rewards to pay out the current investors. And the rewards available right here, which I didn't speak about in my last videos, are reserve funds who can be put in the pot to pay out the users, that they don't have to liquidate any investments from the bank, which will probably not happen in the near future. We are currently sitting at 290 investors, which is not that much. There are a lot more members who bought a membership keycard. We also saw the gold membership keycard holders grow very, very fast. Why that happened, I will show you in a second. Before we take a look on that, I want to mention an investment which in my opinion was also very bullish, because they invested in another protocol called Wolf Capital, which I also covered right from the beginning. And I like to see that all these trusted protocols, which I would count Speakeasy and Wolf Capital in, are now working together in a way that they invest their treasury funds in other projects to gain rewards from it and also help the other project to sustain itself. What else happened from the bank perspective, from the investment perspective? They bought some more ETH. We have now 34 ETH in our blue chip or stable holdings. Now we want to talk about the big marketing which is happening right now for the discount for the gold membership keycard, which you can now buy for 0.5 BNB. So there is a 33% discount on it. And he also announced that, of course, in the Telegram group. And Speakeasy minted 100 of those special gold membership keycards. That's why this number of gold membership keycard holders increased to 108. And now, as I already mentioned, you can buy this for 0.5 BNB. And the gold cocktail NFT mint will take place on Saturday at 5 PM UTC, where you can get the boost NFTs for your deposited BNB, which is basically this daily boost right here. I have the highest one of the silver collection, which gives me a 1% daily boost, and the gold ones will help you to get up to 1.4% if you mint one of them. And a discount on the gold membership keycard is not the only thing which is going on right now. They also introduced us to the back room, which is basically another opportunity to diversify in Speakeasy. They offered now the option for the first 100 members to join that one through a membership for 30 USDT. And there you can do special investments, for example, in EMP, Elephant Money, in trading bot platforms, or in pool opportunities. I didn't take this opportunity yet because I want to get some more information on what exactly these investments opportunities will be, if this is something for me. I just wanted to mention it in this video that you heard about it and can do your own research on it. So if you want to get involved in Speakeasy and earn up to 1.5% in daily rewards, you just need a wallet. Connect this wallet on the page right here on the Binance Smart Chain. Then you need BNB to deposit. You just type in the number of BNB which you want to deposit. You can also add a referral address. Mine will be down in the description if you want to use it. Of course, it's completely up to you. And then you just click on deposit and you can earn with a membership key card, whether if you have the silver or the gold one, and a boost NFT up to 1.5% daily on your BNB. Just that you know, the BNB which you put in are basically sunk costs. So you will not get them back, but you will be paid out in BNB every single week, depending on how high your daily boost is. And why this is sustainable in the long run, because there's only a 3x on your investment. So for example, if you put in 1 BNB, and you don't compound, you can earn up to 3 BNB. If you compound them along the way, the maximum which you can get out of the protocol are 60 BNB. So that should do it about the update on Arc and Speakeasy. If you don't want to miss any future videos on those two projects or other potentially promising DeFi projects, you might want to subscribe to my channel. I bring these videos at least every second day. Would be great if you can hit the like button if you like the content. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Let's get this crypto.